Today, I'm gonna show you 2 meal prep recipes to add to your meal prep lifestyle because I know you're meal prepping, right? Right? Yeah, me neither. This'll help. Now, if you're unfamiliar with overnight oats, you've never heard of the concept before, it's totally easy. Just get a mason jar, some sort of container like this that you can cover and stick into the fridge because you're going to add in a bunch of ingredients like oats, and then to that some milk, maybe some maple syrup, something else, some fruit, dried fruit, cinnamon, you know, whatever flavor you're looking for, and set that in the fridge and the oats soak up and it gets delicious and you've got cold but delicious oatmeal the next morning. Now this recipe is from Danielle at Snap Macros. In your mason jar, you're gonna add in 1/4 cup or 26 grams of rolled oats. 1 scoop of whey protein. So because this is vanilla, I'm using a vanilla one. And again, I'm using Diesel New Zealand whey protein. If you don't want the whey protein, there's a ton of really good vegan ones that you can add to that as well. 1/4 cup or 56 grams of plain Greek yogurt. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia. Optional. Honey, maple syrup, or none at all, especially because you've got the whey protein, so you may not feel like you need it. And last but not least, 3/4 cup or 170 milliliters of almond milk. Make sure everything is fully incorporated, especially the protein powder. Also, word to the wise, make sure whatever protein powder you have, if you are putting it in this, make sure it's one that dissolves really well. That's the one thing that I like about this New Zealand one. It does dissolve quite well. That is good to go. So with the chocolate, it's all the same measurement, so you don't have to worry about that. Not too much of a thought process. However, I do think that going further, I'm going to add in the protein powder with the oats and then mix that up first. I find it, like with the last one, it did okay, but you run the risk of clumps. This one is ISO Gold. This was a sample pack that I had, which worked out fine for this video. Great, now I'm just gonna mix that up first. The chia seeds, maple syrup, ooh, the Greek yogurt. Now, I'm gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna add in a couple of cherries, because you know it's chocolate and cherries. And last but not least, the almond milk, and stir. Danielle also gives you the option to add in some cocoa powder to make it extra chocolatey. Totally optional. I'm gonna leave it out. I'm not a big chocolate fan, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. Now, these are both ready to go. Stick these into the fridge, like I said, overnight, and we'll check them out tomorrow, see how they taste. The second meal prep suggestion recipe that I have for you today is from a website called Eatingwell, and it's a rainbow salad. It's amazing, and it has a delicious peanut sauce that I am excited to make, not just for you, but also for me because I'm super hungry right now. So this is my lunch as well as it being for the video. 2 things that I want to do first are shred the cabbage. Now you can use Napa or the regular cabbage. This is a flat cabbage. I've never seen it before, so I was like, let's use this one. And then I've got 2 carrots that I'm also going to shred. In the recipe, they suggest just chopping it, but I am not a fan of chopped carrots, like just sliced. Maybe julienne, but I love them especially when they're shredded because they're soft, great, because they're hard. So I don't want like a massive crunch. So I'm gonna shred them as well. So the recipe asks for about 4 cups of the cabbage. I don't know if I'm going to use that much, but we'll see. So how you guys doing? Having a good time? How's your day? It's all right? Fantastic. Wonderful. I'm just, you know, shredding cabbage. All right, what do we got here so far? Oh, nothing. Okay, good. I think this would also been faster in the food processor, which on second thought, that probably should have been the way, but whatever, we're here now, so. Okay, so that's about 4 cups. I'm actually going to switch over to the food processor for the carrots because I'm not doing that again. And then I'm gonna clean up first. Yeah, okay. So what we're gonna do is first boil our bulgur. That's gonna take about 15 minutes. Now bulgur, if you've never had it before, maybe you've had tabbouleh. That's what's usually used in tabbouleh. It's kind of a wheat. I'm not sure. It's got a little bit of protein, a lot of carbs in it as well. So it's really great for the lunch. So, you know, you've got more energy to go the rest of the day. Now, here's the thing, with bulgur, you can do it just like rice, you know, like put it on a pot, put it in a pot with some boiling water and stuff, and you can do it like that. But that's really only necessary for the coarse bulgur. I think there's 3 or 4 types of bulgur, fine, medium, and coarse. And there's like extra fine or extra coarse, I'm not sure. But with the fine and the medium, you don't have to boil it like you normally would. You can just boil some water like you're having some tea and add the boiling water to a pot of bulgur, cover it for about 15 to 20 minutes. You're good to go. Okay, now if I did this correctly, this bulgur should be like nice and light and fluffy. I don't know, let's see. Ooh, let's see here. I think it worked. Oh yeah, oh wow, that's awesome. Okay, you've got some chopping up to do. 1 large cucumber, just dice it up, you don't have to get rid of the skin. 2 bell peppers, if you have red, use it. I was kind of hoping I could find a red, I couldn't find any red, so I went with the orange and the yellow. And 1 beet, now you can use 2, but I used 1, it was fairly large, but you're gonna chop it up just like everything else. Now, before we combine everything, we've got to make the peanut sauce. 1/2 cup or 115 milligrams of smooth peanut butter, 1/4 cup or 45 milliliters of soy sauce, 1/4 cup or 45 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, and last but not least, 1 clove of garlic. All right, then just take a whisk to the mixture and whisk it up until everything is fully incorporated. Nice and smooth and glossy. Let's put our meal together. 2 meal prep ideas that will hopefully make your meals a little tastier and your week a little smoother. And just FYI, I would have let you know how the food tasted, but it's been a couple of days and I kind of ate everything. It was delicious. If you want to see more videos just like this one, don't forget to like, subscribe, and please leave a comment down below because I want to know what you think. All right, people, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.